up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna show you two apartments in the same building, and this apartment is quite nice, and especially the owner is quite nice and kind as well. So let's go. The location of the apartment is quite okay, it's not bad, but you just see here, it's like this is the landlord's apartment and it's really nice. It's kind of like a mini garden. It's really good. So now I'm gonna show you two apartments in the same building. So this apartment I'm gonna show you the ground floor and the first floor as well. The ground floor is kind of a house, so it's easy for you guys to go in and out anytime you want. And as you walk into the apartment, there is benches, and there's a bench and two chairs, and it's kind of like a wooden style and a wooden table as well. And that one, I think it's called stand nice, or maybe a desk with the mirror on top. And I'm gonna show you like this way. You can see the view from the apartment like this. So now as you walk through the living room, there is a bathroom on the left side. This is the bathroom. It has a mirror, a sink, a Western style toilet, and a shower with hot water, and a coat hanger as well. And this is the bedroom. The bedroom is it's a bit small though. It's like not as small, it's enough for two people, and it has a double bed, a stand night. I think a stand night. I think someone touched me in someone comment. I think a nightstand or maybe a stand night. I'm not sure. I forgot again. An aircon and a pillow and a duvet as well. And this is a desk and a small chair and a wardrobe and a big fan. Not big fan, it's like quite big enough, a fan. And this is the kitchen area. It has a fridge and a kitchen area. So this apartment is quite basic, and this is like a backyard, like a small backyard here. So now I'm gonna show you upstairs. I will check Google one more time. Is it stand night or nightstand? I forgot again. Oh my god. So this is the second apartment. It's on the first floor. So you're going upstairs by foot. This area is really quiet and it's nice. It's kind of like a local area. It's not too far from the pub street. It's maybe 10 minutes away to the pub street. And 7 minutes to maybe 7 minutes to 10 minutes. I'm not sure. Maybe 10 minutes, I would say that, to the biggest local market in Siem Reap. So this is the second apartment. It's the same layout, and there's no sofa. There are no bench or chairs, just only sofa instead. And this is the bathroom. It has a hot water, a shower with hot water, a Western style toilet, a sink, a mirror. And this is a bedroom. And it has an aircon, a double bed, a stand night, maybe a nightstand, I still confusing, a small table and a wardrobe. And this is the kitchen area. So the layout is the same style as downstairs, and a medium size of fridge. And this is the balcony. The balcony is a bit small. It's enough for hanging clothes, but you couldn't put a chair. You can put a chair, but you can't put a table for sure. And this is the views from the balcony area. So for the electricity, it's 25 cents per unit, and water it's 75 cents per unit. And the price of this apartment is $200 per month. But I'm pretty sure you can negotiate with the landlord because this apartment is not as big and it has a cozy light as well. And yeah, and the landlord will include the washing machine and a fridge as well if you move in to this apartment. But at the moment I cannot show you the washing machine because she haven't bought it yet. So if you gonna stay in here, she will buy the new washing machine for you, so you will get the new one or the fridge or something else if you request. Anyway guys, that's all for this video for today, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.